Getting started with ComponentOne in WinUI and Maui. In today's fast-paced development world, building beautiful, high-performance apps for Windows shouldn't slow you down. That's where ComponentOne WinUI and Maui Edition comes in. Get powerful UI controls for building modern Windows desktop apps, including FlexGrid, FlexChart, FlexReport, and FlexViewer. With ComponentOne's powerful suite of .NET Maui controls, you can take your apps even further by targeting Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Windows using a single framework. From advanced data editing to rich interactive visualizations, these controls are designed to help you build enterprise-grade applications faster and with less effort. In this introductory video, we'll cover the technical steps you can follow to begin developing with WinUI or .NET Maui using ComponentOne. Let's get started. It's recommended to use the latest version of Microsoft Visual Studio, along with the latest Windows and mobile development packages. To make sure you have the correct packages, open Tools, Get Tools, and Features. Under the desktop and mobile workloads, make sure the .NET Multi-Platform App UI Development and WinUI Application Development boxes are checked. These give you the necessary tools to package Windows apps, emulate Android, and connect to iOS-capable devices. Once they are installed, you should be ready to develop WinUI and Maui apps in Visual Studio. The ComponentOne libraries can be installed in your project from NuGet.org, but for beginners, it's recommended to install the project templates and samples from the official product installer to quickly get started. Download the C1 control panel and check the WinUI and/or .NET Maui control boxes to install the samples, project templates, and local copies of the components. Once installed, you can get started by either opening a sample or creating a new project. Let's create a new project and select the WinUI Grid Application template. This creates a packaged WinUI 3.0 application that includes the ComponentOne UI libraries. You can see the package references in the Solution Explorer and check for updates through the NuGet Package Manager. This template just populates a FlexGrid and creates a search box to filter the data. But you can see in the XAML markup how the UI components are defined using the ComponentOne namespaces. For example, FlexGrid is defined by using the c1.winui.grid namespace. When you install the ComponentOne Maui controls, you will also get the same project template named Maui Grid Application. You can browse more samples through the Sample Explorer, which can be launched from the C1 control panel. Browse and launch the C# Visual Studio projects and learn how other controls and features are used. The samples are installed under your Documents directory. Plus, you can find all the samples on the ComponentOne GitHub repository. When you build an application for the first time, a 30-day free trial will begin. If you have a serial key, you can activate it through the C1 control panel. Just select the License tab and enter your key. Find more resources and get support at developer.meshius.com/ComponentOne.